Hi guys, welcome to my course Microsoft Ads Masterclass Campaign Creations and Features. My name is Tanmoy Kumar Das and I am an ex-Google employee with 15 years of experience into PPC ads. I have been working on this product on various clients across North America, APAC and EMEA markets. I also teach this product to a lot of entrepreneurs, professionals who are getting into this specific field, guys. I also build a lot of content around online courses around Microsoft Ads, Google Ads for my students and participants. I want to take this opportunity to let you know about what you will be learning in this course. So in this course, guys, we will get to know about the Microsoft Ads overview, how the Microsoft Ads account is structured. We'll do a account navigation as well. We'll spend a lot of time to understand about keywords, keyword research, what are the different types of ads which we can create out here. We'll also get to learn about ad extensions and different types of bidding which we can do in this account. I will also take you through the various audience networks which we can use for targeting purposes, and I'll show you a complete practical implementation of how to set up conversions, conversion tracking inside this account. I will also do different types of campaign creations like search campaign, remarketing campaign, shopping campaign, mobile app campaigns as well. We will also get to discuss some advanced features like automated rules, experiments. We will also see software like Microsoft Ads Editor and portfolio bid strategies. Also, I will take you through shared budgets, agency management, Microsoft Ads resources, and also the certifications in Microsoft Ads. I hope by the end of this course, you will be well versed with this product and you will be able to use it in your field going forward. Thank you so much, guys, for enrolling into this course. Have a great time, guys, learning. Thank you so much.